Ever wondered exactly where your sword swing connects or why that mob just clipped through a block you swore was there? Today, we're diving into a game-changing Minecraft feature showing hitboxes. First, you'll need to access your game's menu. Simply press the escape key on your keyboard. On the pause menu, navigate your cursor to and click on options. Within the options menu, you're looking for the video settings. Click on that. Now, you'll need to scroll down the list of video settings. Keep going until you find the Show Hitboxes option. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your Minecraft version, but it'll be pretty obvious. Click on the button or toggle to switch it to the on position. You'll see it change color or indicate that it's now active. And just like that, you'll now see the collision boundaries, or hitboxes, for all entities in your world. Notice how these boxes represent the exact space each creature occupies, crucial for precise attacks and understanding mob behavior. Want to land headshots more consistently? Knowing the hitbox helps you aim perfectly. For builders, this is invaluable. See exactly how blocks interact and ensure your designs are perfectly aligned and secure. When you're done, just repeat the process by going back into options, then video, and switching Show Hitboxes back to off. Mastering hitboxes is a simple yet powerful way to elevate your Minecraft gameplay. Experiment with it and see how much more precise your interactions with the world become.